We will fight our country's battles in the air, on land and sea.
Military Appreciation Day is today, and it's this thing that we do at our school to honor all the members of our community and even people outside of it that have been in any war or any branch of the military, and know that we support them and know that we appreciate them and everything that they've done.
This morning they came in pretty early and we fed them breakfast, and they got to sit with like people who were also like in the Army or the Navy. We did like a flag ceremony, and then they went into the auditorium and they got honored, and we had like our band, our orchestra, and our choir all perform for them.
We have our students go into the gym and interview these military veterans. This is very important because they get to tell their stories to get a better understanding of our past conflicts and our current conflicts. I'm especially interested because I'm thinking about going in the military.
I think talking to someone who has been there, they give you the live experience, and there's nothing better than people who have been there telling you a story, just like the recounting experience. Because I've read multiple books about World War II and Korean War, and it's just to hear it from someone who's been there, to look in their eyes, and you can just see their emotion that they have given in the story. I think it's a much better experience.
I think this is an important event. I did not have this opportunity when I was growing up here at Berkley High School. Information and knowledge of being in the military is important. It is an important aspect in American history, as well as being an American citizen.
This is really a great day. I've been here, I think, 4, 5, 6 times, and thoroughly enjoy talking to the young students. Freedom is not free. You got to earn it and enjoy what they have.
I hope that the veterans get out of this is that they get a sense of patriotism for what our future generations have towards our past generations, to make them feel like they're not alone in this fight and they can count on us and work here for them.